Hello and welcome. My name is Daniel, and I am so happy you are here today.
And I am Emma. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We are so glad you joined us today.
Today, we have a very fun topic. We are going to talk about summer vacations. Summer vacations. Do you love summer? I think most people do.
Oh, yes. Summer is my favorite time of year. Warm weather, blue sky, and the beach. I love the beach so much.
Me too, Emma. Me too. So today, we are going to have a simple, slow conversation. We will talk about summer vacations, beach trips, and travel. We will use easy English words, words that are perfect for A1 and A2 learners.
And if you are learning English, this conversation is for you. Listen carefully. Try to repeat the words after us. That is a great way to practice.
Before we start, if you enjoy our videos, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It is free, and it really helps us make more videos for you. Okay, are you ready? Let's go.
Daniel, summer is almost here. Are you excited?
Oh yes, Emma. I am very excited. I am already planning my summer vacation. What about you?
Me too. I am thinking about going to the beach. The beach. Do you know this word, everyone? The beach is a place near the sea. There is sand, water, and sunshine. It is beautiful.
Yes, the beach is wonderful. Let me say that again slowly. The beach. B-E-A-C-H. The beach.
So, Daniel, do you like the beach?
I love the beach. When I go to the beach, I feel very happy. I feel relaxed. Relaxed means you feel calm. You feel good. No stress. Yes, the beach makes me feel relaxed.
That is so true. Okay, everyone, let me ask you a question. Do you like the beach? Think about it. Do you like the beach? Good.
Emma, where is your favorite beach?
Oh, good question. My favorite beach is, I think a beach with very clear water, blue water, white sand, and not too many people. I don't like crowded beaches.
Ah, yes. Crowded means many people in one place. Crowded. I also do not like crowded beaches. I like quiet beaches. Quiet. That means calm, peaceful, not too noisy.
Quiet beach. Yes, that is perfect. Okay, Daniel, what do you do at the beach? What are your favorite activities? Activities means things you do.
Great question, Emma. At the beach, I love to swim. Swim. That means you move in the water. I love to swim in the sea.
Oh, yes, swimming is so much fun. I also love to swim, but sometimes the waves are very big, and I get a little scared.
Oh, Emma, big waves can be scary. Scary means it makes you feel a little afraid. But big waves are also exciting. Exciting means it makes you feel happy and full of energy.
Yes, scary and exciting at the same time. That is the beach.
Emma, let's talk about what people bring to the beach. What do you pack? Pack means what do you put in your bag?
Oh, good topic. I always bring sunscreen. Sunscreen. Sunscreen protects your skin from the sun. The sun is very strong at the beach, so sunscreen is very important.
Yes, always use sunscreen at the beach. Very important. I also bring a towel. A towel. After you swim, you use a towel to dry your body.
Of course, a towel is very important. I also bring sunglasses. Sunglasses. They protect your eyes from the bright sun, and they look cool too.
Yes, sunglasses make you look cool at the beach. And I always bring water. A bottle of water. It is very hot at the beach. You need to drink water. Stay hydrated. Hydrated means your body has enough water.
Very good advice, Daniel. Drink water, stay healthy. And I also love to bring snacks. Snacks. I love eating at the beach.
Me too. Food at the beach tastes so good. I think the sea air makes everything taste better.
I totally agree. Okay, everyone, let me ask again. What do you bring to the beach? A towel? Sunscreen? Snacks? Think about it.
Emma, let's talk about the food. What do you eat on a beach vacation?
Oh, I love this question. At the beach, I love to eat seafood. Seafood. Seafood is food from the sea, like fish, shrimp, and crab.
Seafood is delicious. Delicious means it tastes very, very good. I love grilled fish. Grilled means cooked over fire or heat. Grilled fish with lemon. So good.
That sounds amazing. I also love ice cream at the beach. Ice cream makes every vacation better.
That is so true. Ice cream in hot weather is perfect. What is your favorite ice cream flavor, Emma?
I love mango ice cream. Mango. It is sweet and fruity, perfect for summer. What about you?
I love coconut ice cream. Coconut. At the beach, coconut flavor feels perfect. Very tropical. Tropical means it reminds you of a warm, beautiful island.
Oh, yes, tropical. I love that word. Tropical. Everyone, say it with me. Tropical. Tropical. Great.
Emma, let's talk about the weather at the beach. What is the weather like?
At the beach in summer, it is usually very hot. Hot. The sun is bright. The sky is blue. And there is sometimes a nice wind. A breeze. A breeze is a soft, gentle wind. It feels so nice on a hot day.
Yes, I love a nice sea breeze. Sea breeze. That means wind that comes from the sea. It feels cool and fresh.
But sometimes the weather is not perfect. Sometimes it rains, even in summer. Has that happened to you? You go to the beach and then it rains.
Oh, yes, that happened to me. I was so sad. But you know what? We just waited inside, had some tea, and then the sun came back. So don't give up.
That's right. Sometimes the weather changes quickly, but a beach day is still a good day, even with a little rain.
Okay, everyone. Let's review some important phrases now. Review means let's say them again and remember them.
Listen carefully and repeat after us.
I am going to the beach. I am going to the beach.
I love swimming in the sea. I love swimming in the sea.
The weather is hot and sunny. The weather is hot and sunny.
I feel relaxed at the beach. I feel relaxed at the beach.
I always bring sunscreen and a towel. I always bring sunscreen and a towel.
The seafood here is delicious. The seafood here is delicious.
Wonderful. You are doing great. Now, let's ask you a question.
A simple question. Think about your answer and write it in the comments below.
Here's the question. Ready? Where is your dream vacation? Dream vacation. That means the perfect holiday place in your mind. Where do you want to go?
The beach? The mountains? A big city? Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers. We read every single comment.
Yes, write to us. We want to know. Where is your dream vacation?
Okay, everyone, that is all for today. Today we talked about summer vacations. We learned words like beach, swim, waves, sunscreen, seafood, and relaxed.
Very important words for summer travel. Practice them every day. Say them out loud, and you will remember them easily.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel. And share this video with a friend who is learning English.
And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe now. It is free, and you will never miss a new video.
Thank you so much for watching. You are amazing. Keep practicing your English every day, even just a little bit, every day.
You are doing great. We are proud of you. And we will see you in the next video.
Bye-bye for now. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.